Happy 72nd Independence Day. Two different types of magic squares are prepared for 72nd Independence Day. Here 5 rows and 5 columns are there for these two magic squares. First 4 numbers are the date of independence, that is 15th August 1947, and the number 72 indicates that this is the 72nd Independence Day this year. Addition patterns: 5 rows, 5 columns, 2 diagonals, 8 broken diagonals, and 100 different patterns. Now we'll see the row addition. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, and fifth row. Each row addition is 161. Now we'll see the column addition. First column, second column, third column, fourth column, and the fifth column. Each addition is 161. Diagonals: first diagonal and second diagonal. Now we'll see the broken diagonals. Here 8 types of the broken diagonals are available. Addition is 161 each. Other magic square with the same properties. Here first row is same for both the magic squares. Addition patterns: 5 rows, 5 columns, 2 diagonals. Addition is 161, and these are the broken diagonals. Happy 72nd Independence Day with 2 magic squares. Please like and share this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Once again, happy 72nd Independence Day. Thanks for watching.